Imagine you save 10,000 photos on your phone, and later you want to find a photo where I'm at the beach during sunset. A normal database can only search using exact tags like beach or sunset, so if the photo was never tagged, it simply won't be found. This is where a vector database helps. Instead of storing plain text or IDs, a vector database stores vectors, which are just lists of numbers that represent the meaning of something like a sentence, an image, a video, or even an audio clip. For example, dog playing in park and puppy running on grass look different, but they mean almost the same thing, and a vector database understands this. Here's how it works in simple terms. First, your data such as text or images is converted into numbers using an AI model, then those numbers are stored in the vector database. When you search, your query is also converted into numbers, and the database finds results based on the closest meaning, not exact word matches. Think of it like a library where a traditional database helps you find books by exact title, but a vector database helps you find books by what the story feels like. You say, I want something like Harry Potter, and it finds similar stories even if the name is different. That's why vector databases are used in chatbots, recommendation systems, semantic search, image and video search, and AI agents with RAG systems. In one line, a vector database helps computers search by meaning, not exact words.